Why dogs shouldn't play poker. Please eat my homework, dog. Lost dog. No reward if found. When people ask if he's a pit bull, just making them with spare parts now, huh? I love my dog, but this MF gotta start paying rent. Bro is sagging in his little sweater. He looks like unseasoned boiled chicken. Looks broken. Just a bit. Another awkward night with my dog of 5 years. I can't explain, but this looks like Markiplier to me. My dog who doesn't understand he's begging for boiling water that's on the stove. I'm hiring this guy as my wedding photographer. I don't care how much he costs. I told him I wouldn't throw the stick because playtime was over. Throw the f***ing stick, you monster.